Ciao Tesla people. So there is a software update. I did an update probably 4 days ago, and now I have a software 2026.2.3. So I know that there are a couple new features. So we'll do the install. Actually, let's do the install from the phone. So you push it here, and it asks you if you want to install it. We say yes, and then I'll start a countdown. To skip this countdown, so you don't want to wait, you tap here, goes to 0, and the installation starts. Okay, so there are a couple new features. I want to wait that the installation goes through, so maybe there are other ones that I didn't find. Usually I go to the notteslaapp.com site to check out the new release and what features, improvements there are. Okay, so let's wait this to finish, and let's see how long does it take. Okay, so I'll see you in a second. So I'm done installing. Took half an hour, a bit longer than what I thought. So there are two changes. First of all, let's go to the software. Okay, the release notes here. It says just minor bug fixes and improvements as usual. Okay. Actually, let me go to the software. I want to make sure that yeah, 2026.2.3. Navigation data is still old one. Okay, so probably they will update it in the coming weeks. So there are two changes. The first one is unlatching charge cable. So if you get the charging cable stuck in the back, charging can now be stopped and the charge cable released by pulling and holding the rear left door handle for 3 seconds, provided the vehicle is unlocked or a recognized key is nearby. This is especially useful when the charge cable doesn't have an unlatch button. You can still release the cable using the vehicle touchscreen on or the app. Okay, that's interesting. But I think the most useful thing is if the cable gets stuck, you can use this method. So you hold the back door and pull the rear handle for 3 seconds, and you should unlock the charging cable. And then minor bug fixes. And then the other one is Supercharger site maps expanded. This is undocumented for all models with AMD, available worldwide. And basically Tesla added 3D Supercharger site map in 2025 holiday update. While the holiday update includes 18 Supercharger sites in the United States, Tesla is now expanding to Europe. Okay, we found a listed 2 Supercharger site maps in Belgium, located in Bruges, and another town which I cannot pronounce, Zolder. And these 3D map representations of the Supercharger site include an accurate layout of the site, which is then coupled with the live data. Pretty cool. Let me show you the map. Okay, it's like that. Okay, it shows you a 3D map of the Supercharger, which is interesting. It's cool. Anyway, two new features, one documented and the other undocumented. Pretty cool. Anyway, everything went well. 30 minutes update, and that's it. Anyway, check out my Tesla referral. If you buy a Tesla, use my referral code. The link is in the description. It's valid also for FSD. If you buy an FSD, use my the referral code link. And also, please leave a like, subscribe to the channel, turn on notifications, share a comment, and I'll see you on next video. I'm going to install some more accessories in the coming days, so stay tuned. Ciao Tesla people.